Hey everyone, welcome back to Code Rebel. Today we are going to learn how to build a line graph using a Matplotlib in Python. How to build a line graph in Matplotlib. First one we have step one, import a necessary libraries. Second, prepare your data. Third, create the line plot. Fourth is customize your graph, and fifth one is display the graph. This is my code level channel. So first one here is it how to build a line graph in Matplotlib. We have used a Python and use a Google Colab. Use Google Google Colab. Let's say more. First one we have import our libraries. First we need to import our necessary library. For this tutorial we will be using a Matplotlib for plotting and numpy. Plot Matplotlib Matplotlib and plotting in NumPy. Let's move up. Let's move ahead for our code here. We have used here for Google Colab. So let's move ahead here. Google Colab. First one we import. So how to build a line graph in Matplotlib? First one we have import import matplotlib dot pyplot as pld, and second one is import numpy as np. We have created here import necessary libraries. The second one we use here prepare the data. Next, we will prepare the data that we want to plot. For simplicity, we will be use NumPy, and step 2 is preparing the data. Uh, Next, we will prepare the data for we want to here a plot. Plot. For simplicity, we use for NumPy to generate the range of x-axis and y-axis, x-axis value and y-axis value. X-axis x-axis and y-axis. And for the value using for a assign function, using for a sign function, sign x function. So here x is equals to np dot line space and 0 comma 10 and comma 100, and y equals to np dot assign x. So we have created a sin x graph here. Here we create a prepare for a data. Step third is creating the plot. Creating creating the plot. Step third is in creating the plots. Now that we have our data, let's create the line plots. We can customize the line styles, color, and add a marker to make a visually appealing. Let's try a code. PLT dot plot x and y axis and level for sine wave in color is blue and line is size and marker is 0. And create a line plot. Line plot. Let's move ahead here. Code Google Colab. Implement this code. PLT dot plot x comma y labels is equals to sine wave and color is red. Line style here for sine wave and color in blue, and here for line style here marker. Let's run an output form. Here is a Matplotlib line for the sine wave for the color of creating a plot. Next, x is equals to np dot line np dot line space 0, 100, 10, 100 for y is equals to np dot cos x. Creating the plots for here for the sine x, the sine x graph. Preparing for data here for cos x graph. Let's create a plot for a cos x graph. Plt dot plot x comma y comma level is equals to cos cos wave here for color red. Here is line style of our let's not for here and here for marker of a 0. Here for the star asterisk is not supported for valid value, so we have support for a dash, a solid dash and dash dot these types of value for here. Asterisk is not supported. Yes, yes. This is a caustic graph. Let's customize our the move ahead for a presentation. But creating the plots, we have created the plots. And next step 4 is customizing our the graph. Let's customize. Customizing your graph is a key to making it too informative and easy to understand. Let's add titles, labels, and legends and grids. Here is the sine wave. For examples, we have discussed here. Plt.title, sine wave, plt.xlab. We have instance for x-axis, x-axis, and y-axis, and here we determine for all legends. Here for grids. Too informative and easy to understands. Let's move ahead for a coding part. Here for the customizing the graph. Plt dot title for sine wave. Plt dot x label for x axis. Plt dot y label for y axis. Here for plt dot legend, plt dot true, plt dot grid. Example number one, basic plot. The second one is multiple line of plot, multiple lines in plot. And third one is advanced customization. Is advanced customization of the graph. So here is a display graph for the plt dot show. Here is a basic plot for the graph. X equals np dot arrange 0 1 10 is an coordinates. Y equals to x asterisk 2 and the plt dot plot xy level is square functions and color is green. Let's title for basic plot line plt dot x level, plt dot y level, plt dot legends, and plt dot show. And here is the multiple line graph. Here is the x-axis we defined for here y1, y2. Here we sin x and cos x. Plot for the sine wave, and second one is plot for cosines. And here for the PLT for multiple line examples, PLT dot x level, PLT dot y level, PLT dot legends. Yeah, these are the example number two of the multiples line. Third one is advanced customizations. Let's take up its for the some advanced customization. We modify the line style marker and even save the plot as an images file. Here for the x-axis for the np.line trace, y-axis plotting plt.plot for the sin x and color is purple and line styles and marker. And we have title for here advanced customization. Let's define for the plt.x level, plt.y level. Let's for grid. Let's discuss these three examples for and try to Google Colab. The first one is basic plot. Let's start a basic plots example. Here we will plot a simple line graph of a square function. Notice how easy it is to create a display a basic linear graph. Let's code implementation. X is equals to np dot range, y is equals to x star 2 plt dot plot x comma y, and then label is equals to square function, square function, and color plt dot title, basic line plot, plt dot x level. Here is x axis, plt dot y label, y-axis plt dot legend plt dot so. Here is a basic line plot for the square function. Let's discuss the let's discuss for the multiples line plot. In this example, we will all plot multiple lines on the same graph. This is useful when you want to compare different data sets. Here, we will plot sines and cosine wave together. X is equals to np dot line space y1 is equals to np dot sine x, y2 is equals to np dot cos plt dot plot xy1 sine plt dot title x y2 level also cosine for line style plt dot title multiple lines plt dot x level x axis plt dot y level for y axis plt dot legend plt dot so. Here is a multiples line for a graph for the sine and cosine. Here is example number 2 multiple lines plot and advanced customizations of a graph. Let's take it for advanced customization. We modify the line styles, markers, and even the plot of the images file. X is equals to np dot line space 0, 10, 100. Y is equals to np dot sine x plt dot plot x comma y comma level plus equals to sine x color in purple, and line space, line style, and column, and marker is equals to x, and here for marker size equals to 8. Plt.plot here, mention here, plt.title, titles, plt.titles for advanced customizations, and the next step will be mention for the plot dot x level for the x axis, next plt dot y levels for the y y axis, discussed earlier, axis, and for plt dot legends, and plt dot grid, plt dot grid here for true, plt dot grid, and plt dot save figure for advanced customization, customization dot png, and plt dot so advanced. Let's see, and this is a graph, and we have to show here the save the graph. Next, let's see the example number 4. Example number 4. Plotting we will be add here for the PPT. After that, adding for the example number 4. Plotting multiple lines with different style. Let's discuss x is equals to np dot line space for 0, 10, and 100. Here for y1 equals to np dot sin x, y2 is equals to np dot cos x, and y3 equals to np dot tan x axis. Next, let's create the graph plotting, and create a plotting plt dot plot for the x dot y1 level equals to sine color blue for space line style for the plt dot plot x comma y2 comma, let's copy for this first one, for the move ahead for the cosine tangent, change for the axis coordinates for here, cosine, cosine, and tangent, tangent, blue, green, violet. Here for second and third. Creating the plots, let's discuss for the title, uh, name for the titles here, multiple lines, multiple lines with different styles, and PLT dot x level for the x axis, uh, PLT dot y level for the y axis, PLT dot y. We use it for the limit for y axis for better visualization. PLT dot legend, uh, PLT dot grid. So and PLT PLT dot. So here is a multiple lines with different style. Blue line described for the sine graph, and green line dotted for the cosine, and tangents is the vertical line, x-axis and y-axis. Here is an example number 4, and example number 5 here. Example number 5. Filling area under the curve. X is equals to np dot line space, comma 10, comma 100, and therefore y is equals to np dot sine x, and plt dot plot x dot y dot level sine wave. The color we define for the blue. Let's discuss for the plt dot fill between x comma y is equals to color equals to skyline sky sky blue for the PLPHL from equals to 0.3. Here we discuss the uh, fill the area under the curve. Next, PLT dot title area under the curve, area under the sine wave, PLT dot x level, x axis, PLT dot y level for the y axis, PLT dot legend equals to show, PLT dot show plt.legend, plt.grid. So here is the area under the sine wave. Let's draw the area under the cos wave. Cos cos expansion and p dot cos cos cosine wave and dark below. Dark below dark below here is for cosine cosine wave. The alpha dark below. Here is for the area under the for the cosine wave. Let's this cos sine wave and cosine wave. Example number 5 here, and let's example number 6. Example number 6 we have for the subplots for the multiple plots in one figure. One figure. Subplots, multiple plots in one figure. We have creates multiple plots in one figure. Let's go here. X is equals to np dot line space 0 10 100. Y1 equals to np dot sine x. Y2 equals to np dot cos x. Create a subplot and create a subplot plt dot figure figure size 10 comma 6. Plt dot figure plt figure plt dot figure figure x size equals to 10 comma 6. Here for plt dot subplot 1 comma 2 comma 1 row column and subplot. Row in slash for 1 and column in slash for 2 and subplot in slash for 1. Plt dot plot 3x y1 assign z plt dot title for the assign b plt dot plt dot grid through subplot link. For the sine wave, here for the cos wave, cosine cosine wave. And here for the PLT dot subplot subtitle TI title for subplots example examples and PLT dot subtitle. Here is a sine wave, here is a cos wave. And this is for the ending. Ending part subplots, multiple plots in one figure. And here for the area under the sine wave, area under the cos wave. Here is multiple lines with different styles. Here is the advanced customization of the graph. Here multiple lines. Here the basic line. Here the sine wave examples. Here the cos wave. Here is the sine wave. And here these are the. We will add further three more examples after the advanced customization. After that, we have add the update for PPT here. Next, next, conclusion. And this is for today tutorial. We will be covers everything for the basic plots and advanced customization in plots and area advanced customization for plotting the multiple line graph with different distinct styles and filling the area under the curve. These three examples are after the added and for the advanced customization in Matplotlib. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Code Level for more content on AI/ML and coding. See you in the next video.